All right, so I'm going to show you how to add a logo to any of the emails that might go out through the system. So the first thing we're going to do here, we're actually going to go to customization and then to advanced and assets. And we're just going to upload an asset here, and this will just be your logo file. So just grab that and paste that over, and we'll hit upload. And it's going to add it to the top here. And then you just click on this button here to copy that link. And then what we're going to do here, there is that invite email under people, and then when you click invite people, you should see it here. However, anything you add here is kind of just like one-time use just for this particular invite. If you want to change this actual template itself, you'll go to settings and then email templates, and then there's this invite user one. Okay, so what we're going to do, we're going to actually use a little bit of HTML here. And so you can click on this little icon here to see the HTML code, and we'll add a new line at the top. And we're going to go something like this: image source equals, and then we're going to use two quotes. We're going to paste that URL in that we copied, and we'll add a closing tag there. And we'll just click on the HTML button again, and you should see it here. So I'll put that code below in the description, but just so you know kind of like how I might find something like that, I just went to Google, typed in adding images HTML. And there's this good website here, W3 Schools, which has a lot of little code snippets like this. And so I clicked on it, and there's an example right here. Image source, just exactly what we kind of saw there. Okay, but one thing looking at this is definitely too large. And so I'm going to go back to the code here, and you'll see it might have added a little bit of extra stuff here, and that's fine. We'll just leave that. But after this quote, we're going to press space, and then I'm going to go style equals little quotes again, and then inside the quotes I'm going to go width, and let's do this at, let's say 40%, and then just make sure you're in the quotes there, and we're just going to close this, and there we go. So let's actually shift that up just a little bit. So now I have my logo here properly, which is great, and basically I'm good to go. I can click on save now. So similarly, if you're trying to do other stuff beyond, let's say, the logo, maybe you want to change this to a particular color. There's some built-in options here, which you can actually change. But in some cases, you might have a very particular color that you want to use. And that's where, you can go to, actually we can see here that add that style tag to that, in which case it's as simple as something, I could go like, hashtag, FF000, and I'm going to get that yellow, that particular yellow, but that's up to you how you want to do that. So, but basically the concept is the same for using the HTML editor. You can do it to add a lot of other things besides just the logo. So hopefully you learned something there. Cheers, everyone.